Are you lost? Listen, you're useless. You got a cough or you got a cold or something?
Yeah.
What kind of cold we're talking about?
Not contagious.
Listen, your job, you're the ombudsman.
Yes.
Find out if proper procedure, I can't hunt down no politician. Find out if proper procedure was followed. Why don't we investigate, shit, you're gonna die on me?
Eventually.
Yeah, we all are. Why don't we investigate the flooding going on in Sussex? Is it because of the clear cutting?
That's a terrific question.
Thank you. Good answer.
If I was a science officer, which they're thinking of creating for the Legislative Assembly, it's a great question to pose to the science officer.
Is there any science Irving officers here?
Here's what I would think. Wow. You're catching me with a tough question quickly.
Can you investigate? Are you allowed to investigate that?
That doesn't strike me like an ombud thing, but it strikes me like something that Right to Information would have a study, might have studies, the Department of Environment might have studies about the effect of clear cutting on floodplains. There's probably a reason that you can't cut to, you can't cut to the water line in clear cuts. Well, you're not supposed to.
They used to have, what do you call them? Buffer zones.
Buffer zones.
And they cut down the buffer zone.
Right. So.
Are you allowed to fly in a plane? To fly in that area in a helicopter and look around? Do you have a drone?
Why wouldn't you be?
I don't know. We don't see no videos of the area.
Right.
Does Irving have airspace control?
Typically, no. Typically, versus a landowner, you only own the land. The air above you is, you can't fly over people in a way that causes them a nuisance.
Oh, we're talking about Irving. You're getting me a political answer here.
Well, no, but what I'm saying is you can fly over people, you just can't fly over 20 feet. But,
you've been around a long time. I never hear of flooding in Sussex since the last few years. Have you?
I can't recall it, but I...
So why are we suddenly having floods in Sussex?
This is a question from beyond my training. I don't know.
Can you investigate and find out what the problem is?
As the ombudsman, no, but ask a scientist.
There's no scientist here.
Somebody
the last scientist that
university.
There was a guy named, what's his name again? Never. I'm not good for names. John Arp, A-R-P, from the University of New Brunswick. He blamed the clear cutting on paving of roads.
I think there's a scientific link between clear cutting and flooding. I think that's proven. But what does David Kuhn say?